the dry spice tandoori salmon oven bake. This is a 13 ingredient delicious recipe. We will bake this on our baking sheet. We will add 13 ingredients on top of this and we will make this salmon a delicious meal, at least for 4 people. 2.5 pounds. So let's work on our ingredients right now. So you will need a dry spice blender for this. This is the first thing. We will add at least 2 tablespoons. I'm just giving you the rough count. 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. We will take 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. If you don't have it, use at least 2 to 3 sticks of cinnamon. We will take 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, fresh. We will take at least 4 to 5 cardamoms. I'm using half tablespoon of cloves. They all go in here. I have some smoky paprika. I have some black pepper. And let's grind these guys first. Let's do this part first. It's very easy recipe. It's very easy recipe. You can make this recipe in under 30 minutes and surprise your guest. Our dry spices are, you guys see here, ready to go. So good. Freshly ground spices are always the best. All right, we are done. Let's grab our salmon fillet. 2.5 pounds of salmon fillet. If you want to make cuts of salmon, you can do that. Okay, this is the whole salmon fillet without the skin. Look at this. Beautiful big fillet, fresh Atlantic salmon, my friend. Look at this fillet. Whoa, it doesn't even fit in my tray, man. Oh my goodness. You guys remember our dry spices? Let's add this, half of it right here. Smoky paprika, we'll add half tablespoon on top of this. Look at this, nutmeg. We'll take half tablespoon of nutmeg. Black pepper, half tablespoon goes here. We will take onion powder, 1 whole tablespoon on this side. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon goes right here. Red food color, we will add half tablespoon right here. Half tablespoon to quarter on this side. We will take olive oil. If you guys see, it says 1/2. We will add quarter here on this side, and then we will flip our salmon and we will just flip it like this. So remember, this side has nothing right now on top. We'll repeat the same process again. Half tablespoon of nutmeg goes on this side. Half tablespoon of black pepper. It depends how spicy you want. Use half tablespoon or 1 tablespoon of smoky paprika. Again, garlic, 1 whole tablespoon each side, okay? Onion powder, 1 whole tablespoon. This is a baked tandoori recipe. You'll be happy, my friend. And our dry spice powder, tandoori dry spice powder, goes all here. We'll grab our olive oil, just add all in here. So all together we have used half cup of olive oil, half tablespoon of salt, and just sprinkle this like this right on top. Just spread it, at least half tablespoon on this side as well. Perfecto. Use gloves and just rub all the mixture just like this on top. You see, it's getting the tandoori red color. The seasoning is right here. And what a delicious and easy recipe is this. And here you go. Again, just massage everything. You guys see the color, all the seasoning is now balanced out. It's just a big fillet, man. It doesn't even fit in my big tray. And this is pretty much enough seasoning. All the way done. It's all good. Just put everything nicely in your tray and let's bake this now. Very easy. Here you go. Oven is at 400. Let's put this right here and we'll check back it after 20 minutes. Look at this beautiful big fillet, tandoori style. It's been 20 minutes at 400 degrees. I just want to show you guys, it should reach, the inside temperature should reach 140. Then it should consider to be cooked. If it's not, you can still put your salmon for 10 more minutes. So it's more than 140, our beautiful tandoori salmon. Wow, I'm so excited. Look at this side as well. So good looking, huh? For slicing the salmon, you can use a knife. I'm using a dough cutter. It's very easy, you know. You just put it on top, give it a good cut, and here it is. Just look at the inside of this beauty right here. So all the guests can enjoy the fillets. I'm fasting right now, that's why I'm not doing the taste test. I still have like 4 or 5 hours to wait. So make this recipe. You'll be happy. The taste is super awesome. We have made this recipe in under 30 minutes. I have shared this recipe with you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. My name is Mair. I will see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and enjoy this beauty, man. Enjoy this. Look at this. Steaming hot. Squeeze lemon on top. Just like that. And you will be happy with this recipe. Perfect. Bye-bye for now.